We're now going to look at identifying the chains and selecting the correct file for sharpening those chains. Small indicating markings we need to look for is actually on the depth gauge. On newer steel chains, dependent on pitch size, you will see a small number. On this chain here we have a small number 2. When we actually look at the book on the chain chart and then we look at the code or digit on the depth gauge, we have number 2. This shows me that we are looking for a file size of 4.8mm and a chain pitch is 325. If we are looking at an older type of chain for steel, if we look at this depth gauge here, we've actually got a number 325. So again, from number 2, alternative marking 325, we have a chain pitch of 325, round file 4.8mm. Selecting the files, we never want to assume we have a correct file size in the holder. This holder is a 4.8mm 325 pitch, but it's always best to check when selecting a file that we have the correct numbers at the end of the file indicated here. We have 3/16 4.8mm 325 round file. If we look at a different chain, here we have a marking of 3/8. This is an older steel chain, so when we look through 3/8 5.2mm file, all this useful information allows us to identify the correct chain for sharpening. If we have incorrect size files, we can cause numerous points of damage to the chain while sharpening and not actually achieving correct accuracy.